that time again. Our friends at Sleeve Chief have sent us a goodie box to open, and I wanted to share it all with you during this unboxing experience. I have no idea what they sent this time around, so I am really excited, because who doesn't love a fun set? Oh, we have 3 deck boxes. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, guys. These are the new Secret Rare Graceful Charity sleeves. I know they've worked so hard on the material for these, and I'm so excited to see what the shuffle is like. Oh, I will come back with you on that. I might have to re-sleeve my deck tonight. Oh, okay. I'll come back to that train of thought. Let's see. We have our Dragon Ball border sleeves. Looking fire. Very nice. So our first, oh no, we're gonna do that one last. No, guys. Oh, these look, okay. Sorry. We have our Dragon Ball deck box. And I'll do individual openings for each of these so we have more time to like showcase the insides. But we have the Dragon Ball. Ooh, we have the Pot of Duality box. I think I've mentioned this before, but I used the Pot of Greed one for my Pearly deck. Maybe Voiceless should go in this one. I don't know. That sounds like a good idea. And then last but not least, we have the BLS and the Chaos Dragon. Okay, we're gonna open this one now. Shh, don't tell. I'm really excited about this one. It was like the first one they did with the like special embellishments on the front, like the 3D. Oh, it's metal, guys. It's metal. It's not cheap plastic. That's metal. Ah, it's so nice. Okay, let's do the inside. First off, close up on the crest. We got the swords. And then, oh, that looks so good. This goes with it has matching sleeves that go with it too, of both of them. So, and then we've got our lovely detachable dice box, little math box tray, and then this is also magnetic too. So very nice. Good job, guys. It looks amazing. Thank you, Sleeve Chief, for sending this. I do have an affiliate link in my bio if you want to check out any of their stuff. I will get back with you on the shuffle for these. I'm very stoked about that. Art 5 will save you a little off any order, and I hope you all have a fantastic rest of your day. Also, if you are watching this before April of 2024, this Sunday, March 31st, they have a drop going live as well for the Fire Chicken deck box and sleeves, so do not miss that because it is the most hilarious and clever box design to date. So anyway, thanks, Sleeve Chief. Talk to you all later. Bye!